Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into some essential skincare tips perfect for all you school-going girls out there. Whether you're in middle school or high school, taking care of your skin is super important, especially with those early mornings and late study nights. Let's get started. Skincare routine. First things first, let's talk about establishing a basic skincare routine. Keeping it simple yet effective is key. Morning routine. Start with a gentle cleanser to wash away any sweat or oils that accumulated overnight. Follow up with a toner to balance your skin's pH levels. Then, apply a moisturizer with SPF to protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays throughout the day. Hydration tips. Hydration is key for glowing skin. Remember to drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially when you're busy with classes and activities. Always carry a water bottle with you to sip on throughout the day. Keeping hydrated not only benefits your skin but also your overall health and focus in class. For added flavor and benefits, try infusing your water with slices of fruits like lemon and cucumber. Avoiding makeup mishaps. Makeup can be fun, but keeping it light and clean is best for school days. Use tinted moisturizers or BB creams instead of heavy foundations to even out your skin tone without clogging pores. Also, use lip balm for a natural look. Avoid touching your face throughout the day to prevent transferring oils and dirt, which can lead to breakouts. Handling breakouts. Dealing with breakouts? Don't worry, it happens to all of us. Keep a spot treatment handy containing ingredients like tea tree oil or benzoyl peroxide to target pimples as soon as they appear. Resist the urge to squeeze or pick at pimples, as this can worsen inflammation and lead to scarring. Incorporate fruits like berries and apples into your snacks for their antioxidant properties, which help fight free radicals that can damage skin cells. Sun protection. Last but not least, don't forget about sun protection. Even if it's cloudy outside. Apply sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher every morning before leaving home, regardless of the weather. This shields your skin from UV rays that can cause premature aging and skin cancer. Consider wearing a wide-brimmed hat or using an umbrella on sunny days for additional protection, especially during outdoor activities like recess or sports. Night routine. Before bed, cleanse your face again to remove makeup, dirt, and pollution. Consider using a gentle exfoliator 2 to 3 times a week to slough off dead skin cells and promote cell turnover. Finish with a nourishing night cream or moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated while you sleep. And there you have it, some easy and practical skincare tips that fit perfectly into your school routine. Remember, taking care of your skin is all about consistency and making small, healthy choices every day. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.